Ladies and friends, the puzzle is finally complete. The cryptocurrency we all love is about to make a big finding that you can't miss. A lot of people think that XRP Ripple will be worth $1,000 this year. But where does this happiness come from? It's easy. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency platforms in the world, Coinbase, which is helping Ripple win its case in court against the SEC. A lot of people think the court case will end this month. That movie is the most important thing for anyone who owns XRP Ripple. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene. The world of cryptocurrencies is always changing. One of the most important ongoing stories is the legal fight between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, the company that makes XRP. In the middle of all this chaos, a new development has caught the attention of the crypto community. Coinbase, a big cryptocurrency market in the US, has let people in New York trade XRP again. Coinbase made a brave choice with this decision, especially since the law around XRP is still unclear. Because the SEC was suing Ripple, Coinbase stopped trading XRP in January 2021. According to the SEC, Ripple's sale of XRP was an illegal offering of securities. The case caused a lot of market volatility, and many exchanges had to take XRP off their lists or temporarily stop trading it. Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, recently announced that trading in XRP will begin again in New York. This shows that the exchange is still confident in XRP's potential, even though there are still legal issues that need to be addressed. Grewal talked about the feedback from the community and how the community and the government worked together to get XRP trade going again. Grewal said, "We have heard loud and clear that our New York customers want access to XRP." This shows that people are still interested in and wanting this controversial cryptocurrency. Coinbase's move is especially interesting because it comes at a time when Ripple's legal battle with the SEC is almost over. The papers from both sides have been turned in, and Judge Annalisa Torres should soon make her final decision. This decision will not only affect Ripple, but it could also set a standard for the whole US Bitcoin market. Ripple wants to keep some financial details secret, and the court will decide soon. A choice that could affect how people think and how confident investors are in the company. In addition, there are big changes happening in the regulatory scene. The Act for Financial Innovation and Technology in the 21st Century. The House of Representatives just passed a bill that aims to make the rules for digital goods clearer. People think that this bill could really change the crypto business by giving it much-needed clarity and support for new ideas. Concerns have been raised by the SEC, led by Gary Gensler, about the bill's customer protection measures. They say that current rules are enough to govern the crypto space. President Biden has also shown that he might be against the bill by threatening to veto it in its current form. Ripple's legal problems are made even more difficult by the fact that there are now more rules than before. What comes out of these legal talks could have a big effect on how the SEC deals with Ripple and other cryptocurrency companies. Gensler said something famous that sums up this stress. While rules are meant to encourage new ideas, they must also protect buyers and keep the markets fair. Coinbase's choice to start trading XRP again in New York could be seen as a deliberate risk. It shows faith in XRP's legitimacy and strength, and maybe the hope of a favorable decision, or at least the desire to be ahead of the curve if the regulatory environment changes to be more crypto-friendly. Coinbase isn't just doing this because users asked them to. It's also a smart move in a market that changes quickly. The crypto world is holding its breath as Judge Torres' decision draws near. There are going to be many effects on the outcome, not just for Ripple, but for a bigger market. If the judge rules in favor of Ripple, the value of XRP could rise again, and buyers and exchanges that have been cautious would feel confident again. On the other hand, a decision against Ripple could mean big fines and more scrutiny from regulators, which could slow down growth in the sector. But what do people who use XRP Ripple think about this? Do they think the case will be over soon? Could this be the best sign ever for the bulls? You really shouldn't miss this, trust me. Let's get to the bottom of things and find out what will happen with XRP in the future. There is a lot of talk and interest in the XRP community. People with a lot of followers, like Jack the Rippler, are spreading hope with tweets like the SEC vs. Ripple case will end anytime other supporters agree with this, like High Vibe, who wrote, "This is the end of the Ripple vs. CC case. We can say that the SEC is cooked. XRP $33. Such statements show that more and more people think an answer is close at hand and could be very good for Ripple. To add to the excitement, Jack the Rippler also brought up a major change in the law that could have a huge impact on how regulations are applied. He wrote on Twitter that this week might be bigger than the last one, because the Senate might pass the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act. That means the SEC can't control crypto anymore. This means that the SEC vs. Ripple case would end right away. Millionaires with XRP loading. People are worried that the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act might take away the SEC's power to regulate cryptocurrencies. They want the legal fight to end quickly, and in a good way. The effects that these changes could have are very big. If Judge Annalisa Torres rules in favor of Ripple, the company will be praised and the value of XRP will probably go up. In addition, if the judge rules in favor, it could set a legal standard that makes it easier for regulators to deal with other cryptocurrencies. This would make the US a better place for innovation. Investors and people in the business are both excited and nervous about this time of uncertainty and possible change. It's easy to feel the XRP community's confidence, but it's also tempered by the knowledge of how much is at stake. As Judge Torres' decision draws near, everyone in the crypto world is paying close attention. They know that the decision could either start a new era of clear regulations or keep things the way they are now, with a lot of uncertainty and caution. To put it simply, Coinbase's move to start trading XRP again in New York is a big sign of confidence, especially since Ripple is still facing legal problems. As the final verdict and changes to the law draw near, the possible results could change the future of digital assets in the US and around the world. The XRP community's hope, fed by powerful speakers and hoped for changes in the law, reflects a wider hope for a moment that will change the crypto business. We may not know if this is the most positive signal ever, but one thing is for sure, it is a sign. People in the cryptocurrency world can't wait for the next part of the Ripple story. It looks like everyone already knows that XRP Ripple is going to win the court case with the help of Coinbase. There is more hope than ever for the future of XRP Ripple among experts. What about the cost? We almost didn't talk about this, even though that part is the most interesting. This is too important to miss. You'll be amazed. So people in the cryptocurrency world aren't just excited about Ripple's possible court win. They are also making crazy guesses about how much XRP will be worth in the future. People with a lot of influence, like Crypto Expert, are asking tough questions like, tell me how XRP isn't planning a historic move. People with a lot of followers, like Barry C., who recently started a discussion on social media about how much XRP could be worth, add to the excitement. Putting forward the bold claim that XRP could hit $1,000. Barry C.'s argument is based on how the prices of big cryptocurrencies have changed in the past. In 2016, the price of Bitcoin was $330, which is a very small amount compared to its all-time high of almost $73,000. In the same way, Ethereum, which was worth $10 in 2017, has been worth more than $4,000. It is said by Barry C. that the charts are accurate, that the market's growth path says that XRP's price will go up a lot, which is not only possible but also inevitable. In his tweet, Barry C. promotes a long-term investment plan and suggests that times when people are doubtful or negative about XRP are the best times to pick up the token. He stresses that hanging on to XRP could lead to explosive price action in the future, which is a strong feeling among bullish people. His message to people who use XRP is clear. Be brave and hold on to your tokens until they go up in value a lot. It's important to approach these kinds of predictions with a good dose of doubt, though. The Bitcoin market is naturally unstable, and what happened in the past doesn't mean what will happen in the future. Changes in regulations, new technologies, and the state of the economy as a whole can all have a big effect on the price of XRP. In addition, the launch of an XRP ETF could be very important. With an ETF, institutional buyers could invest in XRP without having to buy the token itself. It could cause more people to want it, which could cause prices to go up. ETFs are important because they make investing in crypto easier and more controlled for regular people. This could lead to more people using crypto and making it more stable. People are interested in Barry C.'s optimistic outlook, but they should do their own study and due diligence before deciding to invest. Before putting any money into cryptocurrency trading, it's important to understand the risks that come with it. To sum up, the return of XRP trading on Coinbase, the ongoing legal fight with the SEC, and the possibility of a big price increase are all parts of an interesting story that is keeping the crypto community on the edge